Very good evening to one and all. So now we'll take up the one more program, the 14th program, 14th program in the lab session, that is to perform the operations of some mean variance and standard deviation for a set of n numbers using the concept of pointers. Okay, so the problem statement is like this. This is very simple also. Develop a program using the pointers to compute the sum, mean and standard deviation of all elements stored in an array of n real numbers. Basically, in the third module, we have already seen how to write a program to compute the sum, mean and standard deviation of all elements present of an array with n real numbers, correct, right? So there we have not used the concept of pointers, but here we need to find out the sum, mean and standard variation of all the standard deviation of all the elements stored in an array of n numbers with the help of pointers. Okay, so what is a pointer? We are already familiar with the definition. What is a pointer? Pointer is also a variable which is going to hold the address of the another variable present in the memory. Okay, so now let us go with the program. Apart from using this stdio.h, we need to use the one more header file called mat.h. Why we need to use the mat.h means because to find out the standard deviation, the formula for finding out the standard deviation is square root of variance. Square root function is present in mat.h header file. That's why we need to use that particular header file. Okay, yes. So now they have given the problem in the problem statement as an array of n real numbers. That's why we have taken the data type float. Float a of n star ptr. That star ptr is nothing but your pointer variable which holds the address of your another variable. Okay, mean comma yesterday comma sum is equal to 0, sum standard is equal to 0. So yesterday is nothing but your standard deviation. Sum is equal to 0 means sum of all the elements. Sum yesterday is equal to 0. That is also one more variable we have taken. Okay, so now int n comma I. N is nothing but the number of terms. I is the looping variable. So now the user is going to enter the number of elements which is stored in n variable n. Now he is going to enter the array of n elements. N elements of real numbers. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. With the help of that particular for loop, he is going to enter the value to the array elements value. Now initialize the value of ptr is equal to a. Okay, so now ptr is equal to a. That ptr is nothing but your pointer variable. Okay, ptr is equal to a now. That a is nothing but what? The array of n real numbers. Array of n real numbers. We need to use that addresses now. Now in the first part of the program, what they have mentioned, we need to find out the mean of n real numbers. How to find the mean of n real numbers? Find the sum of all the numbers divided by total number of elements. Understand? So now find out the sum of all the elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So now find out the sum of all the elements in an array. That concept we are supposed to use here. Sum is equal to sum plus star ptr. That star ptr is nothing but the address of array A. Okay, finding the sum of each and every individual element in the array like that. Okay, yes, ptr plus plus. So ptr gets incremented for each and every element in the array like that. Sum is equal to sum plus star ptr. Once the value of sum has been calculated, we will use it for finding out the mean. Mean is equal to sum divided by n. Later, next, what is the next part? Find out the standard deviation. Before finding out the standard deviation, we need to find out the variance. If we know the value of variance, then only we can able to find out the standard deviation, because standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. That's why. Now find out the value of variance. Same as usual, whatever we have done for the mean. Here the formula changes. Ptr is equal to a as usual. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. The for loop starts its execution. Sum standard, that is nothing but for the variance. Sum standard is equal to sum standard plus power of power. Why we are using power means it is very simple. power of star PTR minus mean comma 2. Okay, that means A of I minus mean whole square. That is the formula to find out the variance. Okay, so that's why we have taken the power function. So power function which is of the form power of x comma I. Here x is the base and I is the exponent, like that. Okay, star PTR minus mean comma 2. 2 is the exponent. Square we have to do. That's why PTR plus plus. After finding out the value of variance, then find out the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to square root of some standard divided by n. If that line is getting confusing you, first find out some standard divided by n. Okay, some standard divided by n. Then we can able to find out STD is equal to SQRT of some standard line. Okay, because standard deviation is the square root. Standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance. So once we are done with finding out all the quantities, that is sum, mean and standard deviation, finally print all the results. Okay, that's all. So this is about the program. So this program snapshot is concerned how it looks like. So now let us consider for how it works. Okay, yes. So open the terminal, cc space filename.c pointers.c. Is that enough to compile this program? No, this is not enough. Here we have made use of two important mathematical functions. First one is SQRT and second one is POW. So both are present in the mat.h header file. I want to link that into my program. That's why I use -lm. Okay. Now press enter. /a.out. Okay. Now enter the number of elements. I will take up the value of n is equal to 5. Now enter the array elements. Let us take up 12.3, 14.5, 16.8. I am taking array of n real numbers. Array of n real numbers. Here the value of n is equal to 5. Therefore, you can consider array of 5 real numbers. 17.9 and then 20.5 or 20.2. Now find out the sum, mean, standard deviation. Okay. Yes. Now press enter. We will get sum is equal to 87.7, mean is equal to 16.34 and standard deviation is equal to 2.73 C. So now check manually whether you have done correctly or not. Okay, so if both the results are same, then our program is working perfectly. Understand? So this is about the 14th lab program to find the sum, mean and standard deviation for array of n real numbers. Run this first type this program in the online GDB editor. Compile the program using that suitable command cc space filename.c space -lm and run the program. Give your inputs and then find out the exact result. Compare that result, whatever you have got, with the manual result, whatever you have calculated, and then tally those results. Understand? So this is about this program. So if you have any doubts regarding the execution of this program, of this particular program, feel free to contact me. I'll help you in explaining once again. Okay. So thank you all. Thank you so much.